Here we are at the Skylon Tower at Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Kind of a construction-y. So we're going to the top to eat, and we'll check in then. Here is Lisa making her way up to the top of the stairs. And here we are inside. We got the clearance to film. We got our reservation for dinner. Here's some of the elevators. And here is Lisa in the store already shopping, planning on spending some money. What are you looking at, Lisa? Yes, that would be nice for the old fridge. We should get one of those. And what about maybe a nice Niagara Falls shirt? These are very nice over here. After a very goofy picture-taking experience over here, here's the elevator. About to go into the elevator.
Alrighty, it's going to be a short ride to the top. More than welcome to take any pictures or videos, okay?
Thank you.
This tower was opened in 1965, 520 feet tall. And straight ahead there, that's the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. And then on your left-hand side there, that's the American Falls.
That's kind of lame.
The little falls beside that, that's called the Revolving Falls. And then on your right-hand side here, that's the Falls View Casino. And you can
casino.
also see Hilton. After dinner, you're more than welcome to go to the observation deck and take a quick peek and walk around. And whenever you guys are ready to go back down, take the same elevator down. Enjoy your day, guys. Have a great day.
And we made it to the top in the restaurant. Looks like there's the kitchen, and it's got quite the panoramic view. We made one downstairs. For 6.
You just made it now?
Yes. A very nice setup here.
I just have to wait and see where it goes.
Sure. Headed to the table here.
Remember not to put anything on the ledge.
Right, yes, I understand. And we're at the table. Looks like we can see the falls here. See all of Niagara Falls. And I'm going to sit you on the window here for a second while it goes around. That way you can see everything that's outside. It's a very cloudy day today. Raining over there, it looks like in Buffalo, New York.
How many times do you think this rotates?
Okay, maybe 2. I don't know.
Oh, okay, so wait, is that way.
I'm not moving the camera so we get a 360 view of the entire experience here. We have these tiny slices of bread. Not sure what kind it is, but these little butter balls. I'm just basically yoinking a whole one on there
French
and
bread.
eating it. French bread. Okay, thank you. They're very good. How do you like the bread, Lisa? Is it good? I think it's very good. So Lisa has
Salmon.
the salmon. Mine is, I got the filet mignon. No, mignon. I know it's not mignon. And I got that cooked medium rare, nice medium rare. It has a béarnaise sauce with it here. And potatoes, broccoli, and the orange stuff.
Ready? Yeah.
Somebody said there's an amazing rainbow over the falls, so we're going over there to see what all the hubbub is about. Oh my goodness, yes it is. I see it over here. So, yes, there is an amazing rainbow over the falls right now. You can can see it right there. Yes. So they weren't lying. That's pretty nice. And now the hard part is finding the bathroom. So we had to come outside, down the way a little bit, and then upstairs to get to the men's washroom. Summit Suite Buffet and men's washroom. Men's washroom. So here it is finally. Don't want to be a creeper, so it's like here's a different. This is the Summit Buffet. Oh wow, it's coming back around. You can see the falls out the window there.
Restroom?
Yes, washroom's right there. Sure. Observation level. Observation level. Let's go over there. Here we can see the falls. I'm sure Lisa won't mind too much here. I've got an extra few minutes. Maybe we can see the fabulous rainbow they're talking about. You can get out right here. Very nice weather right now. Oh, would you look at that. Unobstructed view. That is amazing. And to contrast, here's the American Falls. It's a beautiful color on that water. Take a quick walk around here. And I get the funny looks because I'm in a short sleeve shirt. There's the American Falls again. And it's getting a little chilly, so I better head back inside. To be continued. We are back outside. I wanted to get a zoom shot. And if anybody's interested in the American Falls, it's right over there. We've already gone all the way around. And for the pictures, here they are. And we're gonna do it for now, but see you on the next one. The lights are on.